Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to record a tutorial in English because I would be opening the doors for the world instead of letting the door open only for the Portuguese speaking people. So I decided to do a look inspired by the look that Georgie Isdale did on Sophie Turner for the Met Gala. So keep watching to see my version of this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at @SabrinaSam. So I'm starting off with a base. I did my foundation, a little bit of contour, and a little bit of highlighting, correcting. But I'm finishing it after I do my eyes because there may be a little bit of fallout. I'm gonna start prepping the eyes using a cream taupe eyeshadow. This one is Color Tattoo and the color is Toughest Taupe. So I'm just creating this shape and a base for the other eyeshadows. I'm just mapping the shape of my mobile eyelid. I'm not doing that wing just yet. Now I'm taking the same color on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna lift and wing it up a little bit and start building that wing. Now I have a rough shape of the eye I want to do. I can map it out with a light color like this, and it's easier to correct it before I put the blue eyeshadows. So now I'm grabbing a color from the Naked palette, the classic Naked one. This one right here. It's a grayish bluish color, has a little bit of sparkle on it, and I'm wetting my brush. I'm using a 217 from MAC, and I'm wetting it just to prevent fallout. And I'm concentrating the color on the outer end of my eye. And now I come with a clean brush and blend it. For the lower lash line, I'm using a smaller brush to dab on this color. Again, I'm just kind of depositing on the outer end of my eye. And winging out a little bit, just a little bit. Just respecting that shape I created with the cream eyeshadow. Now I'm checking to see if both eyes have the same wing. I think this one is a little bit lower. With a Q-tip, a dry Q-tip, you can fix that. Now I'm using this KIKO eyeshadow. It's called 215, long-lasting wet and dry use. I'm using it wet. It's a really pretty color. Look at this. If you use this type of eyeshadow with a wet brush, you have minimum fallout. I'm gonna grab a concealer brush and another color. This is a blue eyeshadow from MAC. I'm just patting this blue color in the center of my eyelids. I'm wetting this concealer brush. Come with the blue once again, so it's more powerful. I don't think it was powerful enough. Now I'm just fixing up my wing with the first color, that's kind of a grayish color, and a smaller brush. Just carefully adjusting this wing. I'm doing the same thing to the other eye. So it looks really similar, really blue. I'm gonna darken up just a little bit this area here just to create more depth. With a wet brush, I'm using the eyeshadow from the Naked palette called Creep. You don't have to blend that much because these eyeshadows have a little bit of sparkle on it, and that makes it really easy to blend them together. So now I'm taking a black eyeliner. I'm using this one from SMASHBOX and taking it into the waterline. Before I put mascara on, I'm putting a little bit of this dazzleshadow liquid from MAC just in the center of my eye. I'm taking a 217 brush from MAC. Now mascara. I'm using Hypnose Doll Eyes from LANCôME. So mascara down, upper and lower lashes. Just a touch up on the concealer. I'm using Shape Tape from Tarte just to tidy up everything. She has a peachy blush. I'm using Hard Candy from this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Gleam Kit. This one right here. Now for highlight, I'm using Starburst. I'm just blending everything together. I don't want a harsh line between the blush and the highlighter, so it's nice to go back and forth with both brushes. Just blend them. Okay. She's wearing more of a pinky lip, probably something like Cherish from MAC. But I'm going for more of a nude color. I'm using Honeylove from MAC. This nude here. And on top of this nude color, I'm using Modesty from MAC. Okay. And so I'm grabbing the Cali contour palette from SMASHBOX and doing a little bit of contour, just a little bit more, just on the sides of the nose. Final touch, Lock-It Spray Setting Mist from Kat Von D. So there you have it. This is my version of the Sophie Turner look for the Met Gala that Georgia Isdell did amazingly. And I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.